boss. Huh. Huh. Huh.
So today's Friday, and
February 2nd.
February 2nd, and for those of you, you know, who are paying attention to the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin is under $9,000. Ooh, scary, scary. Except, it's really not that scary because of what I was just telling Brandon and what we were just talking about, because, you know, we listen to other YouTubers and we listen to other people talk about, I think this wasn't at the restaurant that we went to, like up here?
Yeah.
We both talk about, or we both like to listen to other YouTubers, and we both like to hear what everyone else is talking about in this field. And you should, you know, you should educate yourself, and you should listen to as many people, you know, be discerning, of course. But anyway, so a lot of people are giving into the fear mentality, and they're so afraid because Bitcoin is down. They're so afraid, and so they're pulling their money out, and people are getting on their YouTube channels and they're saying, oh, it's mob mentality. Oh, you know, people.
Warren Buffett said it was a bubble.
Right, Warren Buffett said it was a bubble.
Like that motherfucker's in business to make you rich.
Right, Warren Buffett has all his money in other things. He doesn't want Bitcoin to go up, so that's just a point right there. Why rely on all that? And what I was just telling Brandon is like, we
just talk on the camera.
We gotta, like, you know, I fully trust Bitcoin. I'm fully invested in the fact that this is a currency of the future, and so therefore when I put my money in, I'm not going to pull it out. I don't care how low it goes. As a matter of fact, the lower it goes, the more I'm like, okay, let me go buy some more, because it's gonna go right back up. Like, that's just the way the market works. This guy knows. He watches it, he looks at the charts every single day, many times a day. He understands how it goes. This isn't a bubble. This is not a bubble. This is just the way, the ebb and flow of how Bitcoin is. I feel like I'm on like my
no, I compare it to, like, I compare it to, you know, 100 years ago, 80 years ago. Put it this way, when that bobblehead that's in office right now, when he was coming of age, you know, when his daddy was coming of age, you could go downtown and buy an acre of land in New York for, say, $10,000, right? That's what they did. They bought land and they held on to it, and now they have an empire. So this is the same way. Right now, you can buy one Bitcoin for $9,000. Is that cheap? Is that expensive? It's all relative to your position, but I guarantee you 10 years from now, just the same as if I go downtown Manhattan and say, hey, sell me an acre of land, it ain't no more acres to be sold. They're all sold out, and now you just buy chops, and you done chopped it down to 9 pieces to where now you can't even buy a 1-bedroom apartment in Manhattan for $1 million, let alone a full acre of land, say for 10 grand. Right. And that's what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is an acre of land in downtown Manhattan, and right now you can buy it for 9 grand.
Right. And I mean, there's so much opportunity right now. Like, I don't know, why panic? Why panic at all? There's a tremendous opportunity to make more money, because it's gonna go up. It has to go up. Like, the dollar is dead. Like, you know, like, fiat currency is gone. Just like back in the day, gold was replaced by paper notes, by paper bank notes, which are just IOUs. They actually have no value. They mean nothing. And right now, that paper banknote is being replaced by an alternative currency versus Bitcoin, and now we've got like hundreds of others. You think that Walmart or Walton, I believe it's Walmart. Is it Walmart?
Yeah, Walton Chancoin.
You think those guys are gonna pull their money out? They're gonna be like, oh, Bitcoin went down to 9,000. Oh, looks like we gotta just destroy
Let's
our
go buy
coin.
some more stocks.
You think they're gonna do that?
Buy some of these 30-year notes on the US dollar.
Right, everyone has, the value is there. The value is there. The people people understand what it's gonna be, and the potential that it has. And because everything is digital now, this is the next logical step. So, you know, don't panic, guys, don't panic, come on.
You gotta think about it like, it's all about asset classes. Bitcoin is an asset. Cash for the extent of the market is an asset. It goes down in value about 5 to 10% a year. That's why they want you to keep spending it to keep this, you know, Ponzi scheme of an economy we have going, but it's classified as an asset. Real estate, asset. Machinery, asset. Bitcoin is an asset, right? Stocks are an asset. Bonds are an asset, right? You could go to the stock market right now and go buy that instead, but it's at an all-time high, 25,000, Dow 25,000. It's never ever been there before. So how likely is it that it goes up to 50,000 so you double your money?
Right.
It's not very likely, right? Same thing with cash. You got the dollar yield index. You got all these different indexes. The dollar is weak right now. It's not even stronger than Canadian money, than Australian money, than Euro money.
Right. All of these currencies, they ebb and flow. It's a currency. It's a current. Come on. A bank is what? On both sides of a river. A river has a what? A current. I mean, come on. It's all semantics. It's all. This is what it is.
It's all energy.
It's all energy. It all flows. So we gotta chill out. Everybody chill out. Y'all know who you are. If you freaking out, chill out.
It's only numbers on
and
the
buy.
screen.
Just buy. The lower it goes, put more trust into it.
It's gonna bottom out around 7,500. Anything under 75 is free money.
Right. Like, come on. Like, we want it to go low so we can buy more.
Right. Give me more.
Anyway, okay, we're gonna go to dinner.
Yeah.
So.
Let's go
We're
eat.
gonna talk about his trip. Woo.
Like a boss. Huh. Huh. Huh.